Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. This is Miriam. Today I am going to go over Lesson 35, Genesis chapter 1, verse 10, and I'm going to show you how to read from a biblical text. It's a little bit tricky because you have to read from right to left and actually follow precisely every word because you can get lost. Okay, so we're going to begin here, number 10. And this is Vayikra Elohim Layabasha. This is a silent H. Eretz Ule Mikve. And this is silent here. Hamayim Kara Yamim. And now you gotta follow closely all the way to here. A little tricky here. Vayar. This is silent. Elohim Ki Tov. All right. Let's see if we can do this a little bit faster. And Vayikra Elohim Layabasha Eretz Ulemikve Chamayim Kara Yamim. Over here. Vayar Elohim Ki Tov. Okay, so what does this mean? Vayikra means and he called. Elohim means God. Layabasha means the dry land. Eretz is land. Ule mikveh means and gathering, or the gathering. Chamayim means water. Kara means he called. Yamim means seas. And Vayar means and he saw. Elohim is God. And Ki is that. And Tov means good. So, and God saw that it was good. Okay, so when you are reading from a Hebrew Bible, it's pretty tricky. This is the back of the Bible, and this is the front. Well, actually, it's backwards. For us, it's backwards. So this, okay, is the front. So when you open it, you will see that Genesis, which is the first book of the Bible, is the first thing that you see. And that is the beginning right there. So I have many different Bibles, so I chose this one today because the letters are pretty big, and you can see this much better. In Spanish, translation is, Y llamó Dios a lo seco, and God called the dry tierra, land, and God called the dry land, y llamó Dios a lo seco, y al conjunto, and the gathering, de las aguas, of the water. Llamó, called. Mares means seas. Y vio Dios, and God saw, que era bueno, that it was good. So, y llamó Dios a lo seco tierra, y al conjunto de las aguas llamó mares, y vio Dios que era bueno. Okay, here are 4 Hebrew greetings. Good morning. In Hebrew, it's Boker Tov. Boker Tov. And you can say Boker Tov, Eliana, or Boker Tov, Jonathan. How are you? And to a girl, you say, Ma shlomech? Ma shlomech? And to a boy, you say, Ma shlomcha? Ma shlomcha? And you can respond, good, thank you. Tov, toda. Tov, toda. Tov means good, and toda means thank you. So you can add in a name, Tov toda, Eliana, or Tov toda, John. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss any future lessons, and consider being a patron to help me continue these lessons. Thank you. Shalom and lehitraot.